This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for May 3rd, 2018. Corn market up 2 to 3.5. Soybeans finishing 8 to 10.5 cents higher. Pretty major reversal there. Wheat market, Chicago up 9 to 11.25. Minneapolis up 2 to 3.75. Kansas City up 11 to 13 cents. So pretty interesting day. We started the day here this morning where beans were down, almost to the tune where they finished up. But started the day down. Corn and wheat were trying to hold things together, and those markets beginning to accelerate as we got the midday model runs. They're talking more rain in Argentina now, and that allowed this market to reverse back. When we talk rain in Argentina, that's not so welcome this time of year, as Argentina has about 38-39% of their soybean crop to harvest yet, and they're talking flooding type rains. So not the ideal conditions you'd want to see during harvest. Here in the U.S., we look for a little better progression in planting here. Good weather around. We do have some moisture working through Iowa, Missouri here the next 24 hours or so, and we saw some of that again overnight. So market's just really kind of stuck in a rut here. We get these up days and then we struggle the next day and back and forth. We'll see if we can't put this one together here. If we can sustain some closes over 1052 in beans, that should open up a 1082 price count. In corn, 418 to 428, really the area where July corn should go based off this move. And the wheat markets for both Chicago and Kansas City, good closes into new highs, and we'll see what they can put together here in the days ahead. Right now, the price counts are 40 to 50 cents higher, so it'll be interesting to see if we can put that second day of higher together. If we fail back tomorrow, nothing's activated. If we close strong here to finish the week, that could make for a wild week next week with a crop report on Thursday of next week from USDA. That'll be the first outlook of new crop S&Ds. Feeder cattle up 150 to 217.5. Live cattle up $1 to 167.5. Hogs pretty much mixed to steady. We had some 126 cash trade that got that live cattle, feeder cattle board firmed up, and a very nice close there. Should open up these price counts from 109 to 112 off the August, and we'll see if that can't get us into some of these highs again, where we'll trigger some marketing points. Feeder cattle potentially up into that 151 to 155. But we do look for a stronger cattle market here as we work into summer. Hog market, unfortunately, just doesn't have the news to put it together right now from our vantage point. So look for that market to be a little bit of a laggard right now and struggle with these rallies. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.